Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Daniel, the Mold Man Smith, coming to you from another job that we are going to show you the service of dryer vent cleaning. This is something that has been a hot topic with fires in the home. So we did have a client reach out to us that was concerned. We're going to show you some before and after pictures. Alright guys, we are here. We're about to do our duct cleaning. We wanted to show you our Duct Master 3. It is a HVAC air vent cleaning as well as a dryer vent cleaning. So we are going to show you how it works, the setup. We have a suction hose hooked up here that's going to go to the dryer vent, and we're going to show you some before and after pictures. Alright, so we're going to basically clean two things. We're going to clean the extension inside from the back of the dryer. We're going to get some of the dirt and everything off the floor, and we're also going to clean inside this. So we're going to try to show you as much as we can before and after. So this is actually inside the dryer vent. You can see just the accumulation of lint and everything that comes off our clothes. Basically, I do believe it's about 4 to 5 years or longer worth of collected dust. So, all right. Alright, we are finished. So this is the end results of cleaning all the dust and everything out of there. This is the end result there. We're going to stick the camera up in there, and you can see up in there. So alright, so this concludes our cleaning process. Please subscribe, like, and share our video to those that may be in need of this service. We thank you for following us. Until next time, this is Daniel, the Mold Man Smith, coming from Smith Environmental Solutions. We are the company that's bringing a solution to the pollution.